Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if vector A, vector B, vector C are unit vectors, so this is important, they are unit vectors, then this does not exceed. So, we need to find out the maximum value of this component. Okay, let's solve this thing. So, if you will observe, it is magnitude a minus b whole square. So if they will talk about square, we need to think about dot product. So it is dot product of a minus b into a minus b. Okay, so here you can apply the formula. So can I write mod a square plus mod b square minus 2 times mod a. Okay, I'll use mod a mod b cos theta ab. Similarly, you will be writing all the components. Okay, now so again you will be writing mod b square mod c square and then minus of 2 mod b mod c cos theta bc, and then you will be writing another thing which is mod c square mod a square and then minus 2 times cos theta AC. So suppose this was the line 1. Now line 2. So it is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6. Then minus 2 we can take common and we will be left with mod A is 1, mod B is 1. So it is cos theta AB cos theta BC cos theta CA. So we need to calculate the value of cos theta AB, cos theta BC, cos theta CA. Now, right now we are not having any idea. So what we should do, just look at this. Suppose that I am talking about vector A, vector B and vector C. So if I'll do square, don't you think that it will always be greater than equal to 0? So if it is a square, so square of a real number will always be a positive or non-zero quantity, sorry, 0 or positive number. Okay, now you can open this bracket. So you will be writing mod a square 1 plus mod b square 1 plus mod c square 1 plus 2 times mod a mod b 1 1 cos theta ab plus 2 cos theta bc plus 2 cos theta ca. This thing will be greater than or equal to 0. Now can I write cos theta AB plus cos theta BC plus cos theta CA will always be greater than or equal to minus of 3 by 2. So this thing is always greater than or equal to minus of 3 by 2. So if you place minus of 3 by 2, you will be having what? 9. So the max to max, what was the question? So it will never exceed 9. So this is the required answer. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.